Hi, this is my plan for GBP AUD. Let me explain what is happening. You can clearly see in 4 hours we came to the demand, okay, but not the extreme demand, but we changed the character into 15 minutes, okay. So now we are going into 15 minutes. This was my plan, okay. Type 1 and I had a type 2 plan, and the type 1 plan worked here, okay. The one plan is to, this is the pullback which should held the price here, but I saw a daily CPR below here, okay. We couldn't see, I could see tomorrow's PVR today, but I couldn't see next week PVR, okay. So I am confused with daily CPR. I planned this entry, okay. We have a CPR below here, so we don't have a liquidity, and I know I could see liquidity in minor time frame, but when I see in the night I couldn't see the liquidity here, okay. Let me close the CPR. See, we need to sweep this low to go up, but we didn't even sweep, we just came into here and we started to go up and we broke the structure here, okay. Next I thought after this break let me enter here and keep my stop loss here, okay. But let me check, it will be a 1:3 trade. This is a nice trade, not a bad trade, 1:3. But I got a issue in my login, so I was working with that, and after some time I could see here, and we have a daily resistance here, okay. This is daily CPR and this is daily resistance level, okay. So now what I'm seeing is we broke the structure here, we broke the structure 2 times, okay. Internal break of structure happened 2 times. Now I'm waiting for 2 entries, okay. Still sweeping this lows and going up, or now you can clearly see we have a 3 candle pullback. It's considered as a proper pullback, okay. Now if this resistance works and market started to come down, okay, I have 3 type of entries. First, sweep this lows. Second entry will be breaking this highs, so it will be considered as a proper break of structure. I will enter at this level because even though if it breaks, it might have higher probability to retest this by just a week. So my entry will be at this CPR resistance level, which will act as a support if it breaks this high. So it will be a risk reward of 1 is to more than 7, I think so. And I'm going to risk 1% in every trade, and it's a pro trend. I'm going to risk 1%. These are my type of scenarios which might happen, and I'm going to enter. It will be 1 is to 7. If this trade plays out, I will clear my fundedness second phase. So I'm waiting here, and let me show what are the pairs I'm seeing, okay. Me off the CPR. Okay, let me come to USD JPY pairs. Now what we are seeing here is a 4 hours break of structure upwards, and we went up, we accumulated and distributed this, okay. Now we have a liquidity and we have a sweep zone correctly, okay, because this low swept the previous low and broke the structure above here, okay. So we came to the 50% of this area, and I am waiting for the internal pro trend to happen, okay. Now it's in counter trend, it needs to violate the previous structure low in 15 minutes. Why I am considering this as a high? Because simple, 3 candle pullback. This is the one bullish candle, because in a downtrend we want to see 3 bullish candles to be it's a proper retracement, okay. 1, so this candle engulfed by this candle, okay. 2, and this is the candle which engulfed that candle, and I'm having 3. My entry is for only 2, but it having 3 it will be very nice. Okay, I have additional. Okay, this is a proper pullback, and we sweep this high. When we sweep this high just by a wick, it will become the new highs. Okay, so now market came. So let me check the CPR levels. We are below CPR, and we are below weekly CPR too. Okay, that's not an issue. Once it breaks this high, and we can clearly see we have a demand level which is forming. If only it breaks this high, I'm going to take buy. I'm not going to anticipate more things. Okay, if the internal counter trend change to pro trend, I'm going to enter buy here. Okay, let me off the CPR and let's go to USD CAD. USD CAD in 4 hours we broke the structure below. Okay, this is the high, this is the low. Okay, we have proper break of structure. Now we change the character down, and I'm expecting market to be I'm not expecting market to, it may fall from here also. Okay, if we come to this area, this supply zone, it has most probability to market to fall down. Okay, because we have liquidity, we have imbalance, and we have a proper supply zone here. Okay, I'm covering the highs, and it's 1:4 risk reward trade. It's a swing trade. Okay, let's go to let me come to see whether we have any confluence with this. Okay, CPR, I'm taking out daily CPR because okay, we are below weekly CPR, and we have a weekly resistance here too. So I could keep the 50% area, so I may modify my order when it comes near my order. Okay, so next Euro AUD, let me off this. Okay, we have liquidity here. Okay, in 4 hours we change the character downwards, and if it comes here, this is a clear order block of supply, and we have liquidity here, to structural liquidity here. I may try to enter. Okay, we have CPR levels, but we don't have any. We have weekly CPR levels here, and next it's going above here, but we can say that we have a monthly resistance here, so I should be waiting here. This is not the A setup compared to the GBP AUD trades. Okay, so I'm just waiting for what will happen in this. Now US oil, I'm expecting market to be bearish because it's overall uptrend. Okay, you can clearly see we are in 4 hours, and I'm simply waiting for 15 minutes change of character. Same what I'm expected in USD JPY, I'm expecting the same to happen here, but it takes time. Buy after 15 minutes, counter trend change to the pro trend in 15 minutes by internal change of character. When this happens, I'm going to enter, and I'm going to target this high. That's a swing trade. I'm waiting. Okay, New Zealand USD, yeah, we changed the character above here first. Now we came down, we came to a not a proper demand. I couldn't see anything, but if we came here it will be nice, but we sweep these lows, started to go up, and I find some imbalance down here. If we broke this high, next we come to the imbalance or some area of demand, and if it align with CPR, oh see here we have a weekly CPR aligning with this, so it might be a nice trade after breaking this highs 4 hours. After this, in this week it should happen. Okay, we have a proper resistance here. I could enter here and I could aim highs. Okay, like this. Probability, see, I'm using shorts. Okay, long. It might be a 1:5 trade. That's okay with me. What's happening in GBP CAD? Oh, this is what I really want to document. Okay, see, I was so dumb. It's in higher high trend. Okay, and this is a proper 4 hours retracement. Okay, we have a 3 candle pullback. This candle low is broken by this candle low is broken by this, and we have a proper break of structure here. In 4 hours the range might be this small or this high. Okay, the range doesn't matter. If you have a proper 4-hour pullback with 3 candle pullback, and if it breaks the high, it's a counter reverse, opposite to the sell trend too. In 4 hours demand, we came here and we started to broke highs. Okay, this is a valid entry here, but I'm learning this now. Even though it doesn't consider to be a pullback, this demand actually works. Okay, you should understand this. This is not a swing, but this demand works because we have a proper break of structure demand and we have liquidity here. So this trade might be a very good trade. After that, same here, this trade also I explained in my previous video, my analysis, and I deleted this and I'm waiting for the new type of entry to emerge here. It's 1:2 risk reward. Let me see any CPR levels helping us. Let me go to 1 hour. Okay, what I'm saying is there is no liquidity, there is only one liquidity above here. We have CPR levels here, and in 4 hours or a day time frame, in day time frame, this is a hidden demand. Okay, from this area to this area, and I'm aligning with the CPR levels because weekly CPR. The only thing is we don't have liquidity. We have small liquidity here, but it is